I'm recording.
We're getting so close. Send that to Leah.
Oh, I thought. Oh my god, I thought that was actually gun or something. Whew.
Whoa, that is
There's
so
people in
cool.
there. The army guys are in there.
Love it.
The army guys are in the back.
I know. I love.
How many got what? 1, 2, 3, 4?
8.
No.
That is so cool.
Wow.
The art of war came to Bronx.
These are all.
Wow. I have never seen an army truck.
Presto. You have to scream.
This is so cool.
Hey.
Mom, wait, slow
They're
down.
stopping the traffic. Everybody wants to see them. Oh my God. God bless those people, man. You know that, right? Mira, be gentle with that. Put that on the other. Pon eso abajo.
That is so cool. That is so cool.
Gal,
That is
if
so
you don't eat it, Diaz is going to have a problem.
That is so cool.
Hello.
Okay.
Are you listening?
It's charging.
Hello.
Oh my.
Hello. If you don't eat it, Diaz is
Oh.
going to have a problem.
Well, I can't believe there was army trucks there. That's not good.
This is 95. This expressway takes you from here to all the 95. This is a throughway.
Yeah, this is the main highway.
So I don't know where they're going. They're probably going to.
Area 51.
Where's that at? Washington?
I think that's in Tennessee. I don't
Area
know.
51. They're taking it to Area 51.
They got aliens, bro.
Area 51.
They have
They
aliens.
got aliens everywhere. Area.
Actually, that was actually pretty fun. Just going
There are
there.
people in there. I saw an army guy dressed in army.
I know. He had like the radio thing.
And he had the uniform, right? Isn't that
Yeah.
beautiful? I love that.
I know.
I've seen them.
Never seen them? Well, I recorded them, so.
I love army people. They are very, very nice